what were the motivation, what was the motivation behind, or how did it feel on the first time na, yung first time mong nagka-work while you were schooling?
It's very new for me, especially like you have to really submit deadlines because I was a student before na hindi nagsasubmit ng deadlines. Like, I tend to submit output sa school na delay, late, because hindi ako achiever. I know I can be achiever, but I choose to be not because hindi ako interested talaga sa school. Like, all my life, feel ko na parang ang school for me is like hadlang sa gusto kong gawin. Pero pag dating ko sa working, tapos nag-school na ako, is na-realize ko na important pala si like submitting on time kasi it will reflect on you. So, dun, na-realize ko na malaki palang factor. So, yun, parang very new siya for me na naka-develop ng work ethic. So, from someone na tends to submit 1 week delayed, 3 days delayed, I will submit on time na. Even one week earlier. Which is, nag-reflect siya for me sa work ko and it will help siya sa akin to develop my work ethics as well.